Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix the issue Windows 11 disk percentage is 100 or more than 90%. Okay, so I will show it step by step, so I can ensure you if you apply these methods carefully, your issue is going to fix. So in the first method, we will disable the SysMain services. Microsoft has launched this in order to preload the programs as quickly as possible, so no need to run it in the background as well. So open the services, type services on the Windows search bar and run it as administrator, and click anywhere on the services page and press S on your keyboard and look for SysMain, this service. As you can see, it is already running. Double click on it. So you can also read it about the description, improve the system performance, but sometimes it is conflict with the Windows, so it's time to disable it. So first of all, go to stop option, and once it is stopped, just click and disable it. Okay, apply and OK. The second service we are going to disable is connected user telemetry service. So what does this service do is, this service actually sends the data, diagnostic data, to the Microsoft so that they can improve the performance. Okay, so press C on your keyboard and look for connected, this option, connected user experiences and telemetry. Double click on it, and you can also read out additionally about that. You can see here, this is for the feedback. Diagnostic and users privacy option setting are enabled to under feedback and diagnostic, so no need to run in the background. So disable it simply, stop it and click on apply and click on OK. And we are going to also disable the Windows search. What it does is it loads the file and folders quickly. Okay, so we need to disable this as well. Look for Windows search in a W series and S. Okay, you can see here. You can also read more about this. Provides content indexing properties, caching and search result for the file and folder. Okay, so double click on it and simply disable this, stop the service. Okay, apply and OK. So after applying these three methods and have been disabled successfully, just you need to restart your system. Okay, restart your system and it will fix your issue. If your issue still persists, we can move to in the second method, we will disable the defragment of drives and optimize options. What it actually does is it automatically defrag your hard drive or the SSD. So it is also consumes the hard disk utilization on your Windows. So on the Windows search bar, tap the defrag and you will see defrag and optimize drive. Run it as administrator, and you can see by default the Windows is automatically run it once in a week. So click on change setting, you can see, and just uncheck this option, click on OK, and also check the D drive, optimize. Okay, so don't need to optimize now. C drive is, now you will get the turn on this option. So we have successfully disabled the drive optimize. Click on close and check if your issue is solved or not. If still not solve your issue, we can move to the third method. In the third method, we will disable the startup apps. Startup apps, basically when you launch your Windows and when you reboot your system, those application or program automatically opens. So right click on the taskbar setting and then open the task manager. After, go to this tab which says startup apps, click on that, and you need to disable all the running which is enabled here. Don't worry, just disable them, you can see, and Xerox application. Okay, only leave this for the only security purpose and disable all the programs here. So we have successfully disabled all the programs here. Only leave this for security reasons. Okay, Microsoft security reasons. And also this will boost your system performance as well as reduce the hard drive uses on your Windows. In the fourth method, we will disable the MSI. Okay, this is basically sends the data to the CPU. So sometime it can cause the issue to the 100% disk utilizations, and this is the most effective method to fix the 100% disk utilization issues. Is right click on the settings, or you can directly search device manager and open the device manager and look for this option IDE ATA, this controller. Expand that, and you need to right click on its driver and go to its properties and go to details, and from the properties you need to choose the device path. This is the device path. Just right click, copy it and paste in a notepad, and we will navigate to the registry. So on the search bar type the registry, run it as administrator. On the registries you need to double click on H key local machine, double click on system, double click on current control set, double click on enum, and you need to double click on PCI. You can also see on the screen its path. Okay, and make it bigger and choose for the similar option. Okay, we need to navigate to this, so we need to carefully look for this option which should be similar to this. The last part you need to look for, this is the tip 03. Okay, this is the 03, and let me again re-verify it. When 8086 dev 9 cm sys 06101 @rev003. Okay, so you need to exactly find this. Okay, so you can see here, this is my case, this is the exact number. So I need to double click on this. Okay, and double click on this option as well. So you need to double click on this device parameters, double click on interrupt management. Now you need to double click on this option, message signal interrupt properties, and this is the MSI. Okay, you can see here MSI supported. Just double click on this options, MSI supported, and change its value to 0 and click on OK and restart your system. Once you restart your system, 80 to 90% your issue will be fixed with these methods. Okay, so hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.